Okay, welcome. In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on how to set date and time in Windows 11. Windows 11 is a new Windows released by Microsoft, and since the release, many people have been using it. And some new users sometimes have difficulty on how to change the date and time. So I will walk you through on how you can do that, including how to turn on the automatic date and time. So let's get started. The first is to click on the search app in the taskbar. Okay, it has opened the section for us to search. So in the search space, type date and time. Date and time. Okay, it has shown up. You can see that date and time settings. Okay, under system settings. So click on that for it to open. Alright, this will take us straight to the settings page that will allow us to make these changes. So hold on until it happens. Okay, now the first thing I want to point out is the date here. Shows me that today is Thursday, 19th of January 2023. Okay, another thing I want you to know here is very important. Even if you don't know how to do these settings, make sure you toggle on this button. Set time Set the time automatically. It will help you. Okay, just toggle it on, and no matter what's the time, it will detect your location and tell you the time that is at that point, the time you are operating on. So it's a very nice feature. So always turn that on, or so that it will detect it automatically. This section says set time zone automatically. You can still toggle it on. It can still set the time zone of your location automatically. But if you don't want that, you can do what? Toggle it off. Okay. All right. Let's assume I toggle it off, and you come here to this section that says time zone. You want to choose a particular time zone for here. Here, what is choosing here is West Central Africa. You can tap there and then choose any one of your choice. Okay. If you're in London, you can go with this. I'll go with this depending if you're in African country. So there are so many options. Choose the one, just go through, scroll down and choose the one that is suitable to your location. Alright. So a lot of the options presented for you here to work with. But for me, I'm okay with where I am at the moment. So I go with that. Okay. So those are just the few steps you have to take to change date and time. Alright, by the side where you can see the option date and time, which is selected by default. You want to choose region, go here, choose your country. Okay, you want to change it from here to another country and the rest. So many tabs to help you do what you want to do, but our interest here is on the date and time. So I hope this video helps. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video. If there are some videos you wanted to cover on Windows 11, still feel free to leave that in the comment section. Thank you and stay good. And thank you for watching, which is more important.